You're watching Two for the Road. Hey, welcome to the channel. This episode we're at Stone Mountain Park, the #1 visited park in the state of Georgia. As you can see, we have a nice rainy weekend ahead of us, but we have some really fun times and we're going to show you why. We're finally here at Stone Mountain, and we got site number 266, and this is our site. It is a back end right on the edge of the lake. Let's give you a quick view of what the water view is.
We're here for the weekend and we're not alone. We're with Susie and Dan from Dusty Trails RVing. Don't forget to check out their channel.
Wow, you even have great views of Stone Mountain from the campground. Like always, we do a quick tour of the campground, but first we want to show you all the great activities and events that goes on at this park.
The main attraction here is Stone Mountain. You can hike to the top, or you can choose to take the sky ride.
And that's right, the sky ride only takes 2.5 minutes to get to the top.
Coming into view is the carving, and it spans out 3 acres and it's 90 by 190 feet. You can fit 2 large school buses on the back of the middle course. A 6-foot person could fit inside of the horse's mouth, and a 5-foot person could fit inside of the horse's ears. It was created in 1925 and finished in 1972, which took a total of 47 years to create. Stone Mountain is the largest piece of granite in the world. This is only 10% of the granite mountain. 90% of it is underground. And once we reach the top of the mountain, we will be 825 feet up, an elevation of 1,683 feet. Right about here, we're going to do 2 swings as we pass this tower, so please make sure that you're holding on. And here we go.
Okay, we made it to the top. As you can see, it was super foggy out this day, just adding to the mystery of Stone Mountain. As you can see, there's a white painted line. That is a designated trail line to hike up and down the mountain. And check that out. People have been coming here and carving their name all the way back to 1871. And look at this lady. She even visited here 3 different times. And another main attraction here is the old train that travels 5 miles all the way around Stone Mountain itself. Let's take a ride. Alright, then next we head down to Park Central, the area that has all of the attractions. In Park Central, you have attractions of the Scenic Railroad, the Sky Ride, the 4D Theater, and Stone Mountain Museum. You even have a large choice of restaurants and concession stands. You even have shops of candy stores, Christmas store, a toy store, and even the Sky View souvenir shop, and much more.
Because we are here during the holidays, the beautiful Christmas atmosphere was everywhere.
And they even put on a really great light show of Christmas lights done by a group of 300 drones.
We took a walk along Cherokee Trail on a nice, cold, rainy day.
And that's right, and this trail had some really cool points of interest. And one of them is this grist mill, and this mill was brought in all the way from Ellijay, Georgia.
And here's some additional unique features along the trail. Not sure what it was used for or what it is.
Yeah, and there's also like this really weird building on the other side of the creek there, and not sure what it's for. And the trail even crosses over the StoneMountainRailRoad tracks. And here's a really cool view of Stone Mountain at ground level looking up at it. And the last place of interest we were hiking out today was the Rock Quarry exhibit.
Yeah, and unfortunately we couldn't explore it today because dogs are not allowed.
Even though this is as far as we could go because we had all the dogs with us, but here's a photo of what the exhibit has to offer. Alright, time for the quick tour of Stone Mountain's campground, and here's a couple of pavilions that are located in the day use area. The campground itself is extremely large, so we're just doing a quick drive through of a few of the loops, and we're going to show you just a few of the campsites themselves to give you a real good idea of what to expect when you come here.
There are 380 campsites to choose from, starting with basic all the way up to full hookup, including cable. There's even an option to rent one of 17 yurts located right along the lake.
You know, Stone Mountain Park is so gorgeous, and the campground itself is just top-notch. It's no wonder this is the #1 visited park in the state of Georgia. It is just so amazing. And I almost forgot to mention of some of the other things that this park has to offer. There is a full-size, beautiful golf course. There's resorts that you can reserve to come here and make your stay, and there's even some gourmet restaurants that you can come in and do some fine dining. And this building right here is where you come in and check in for your reservation, and it even has a general store. Normally our campground tour is not this long. However, the park is so large, I tried to give you a little taste of each loop as we gave you the tour. At the end here, you'll even see some photos of some actual campsites that I thought was really nice and unique for a possible choice of making a reservation. Alright, as our video comes to a close, we hope you really enjoyed the tour of Stone Mountain Park. You should consider subscribing to our channel, as we may be guilty of adding to your bucket list. Thanks for watching. 2 for the road.